everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul, this time from Aliexpress. It is actually only 2 parcels just because I wanted to do this video because one of these items in here is a gift for somebody and it's their birthday coming up very soon, and I'm thinking this other one could take weeks still to come, and I wanted to obviously give this gift to my friend. So without further ado, let's share what I got. So this was the first parcel that I ordered. Basically this one come super fast. Like I think it was here within a week, maybe 10 days or something like that. And what I will do, just because it's very difficult to see what this actually is going to be, I will like post a little picture of each one of what it makes. And this kind of makes like a round photo frame, so you'll have lots of photo frames going around in a circle. And I'd seen one of the ladies at the craft group brought it in. We was going to actually do it as a class, but she said it would just take too long, it'd probably take 2 lessons. So when I found it on Aliexpress, I had to have it so I could have a go myself. So that was that one. And this one, you know, I actually can't remember, was it a pumpkin or something? I can't really remember what it is, to be honest, so I will have to go on my order history to find out what this is, and I will post pictures like I say. So, and then this order, I'll just get them out so I'm not talking. This order shouldn't have actually been here till mid-January. Now I'm filming this way in advance. You're probably only going to see this like January or possibly even February. It is actually now the 12th of December, but this shouldn't have been here till the 16th of December, so I'm really pleased with that. It has taken about a month, but the estimated time was the 16th, so I'm really pleased with that. And the first one we've got here, I'm just going to move those out. In fact, we'll use the envelope and then you can see. And this is like a little tag book. Again, I will insert some pictures. Now, we did a class in this and I fell in love with this. And you basically cut this out and then you fold this up and then all these little tags, and you can see you got lots and lots of different tags. I did try to find the one we did at class, but I just cannot find it whatsoever. I actually bought 3 of these, 2 for myself and 1 for the gift that I said. I think this was one of the dearest actual dies. I mean, this one over here, this photo frame, that was the dearest. I think that was £14, and this one was £10, and I did get the 3, but to me it was worth it, and you'll see them anyway. And the rest of them was anything from £2 to £7, so I was really pleased to get this one here. And this is again another little mini album journaling die. I love mini albums and journal dies and stuff like that, so I had to get this. We've got lots of accessories, paper clips and some nice little edges here. So yeah, I'm really excited to actually have a go at this one as well. And then I got some nesting dies, which you can never have too many nesting dies, and I realised in my collection I didn't actually have any square nesting dies, which I thought was a bit bizarre. I did actually wanted some nesting dies that were square with the stitching effect, but I couldn't find them at the time when I was looking. And this was all from one seller, by the way, I should have said that. And because you bought so many, if you bought 3 or 5 items, you got free shipping, otherwise you'd have had shipping on top of this as well. And another thing I really love is tags, so I've got lots of different shapes of tags here. You can see we've got so many. We've got like the matte and layers, just really cute. And then we've got this tag, which kind of gave me the Great Gatsby feel, and I thought that'd be really cool to do some tags in that era. And then we just got another one of those. Like I said, I did get 3, and there's the 3rd one. And then we've got another one which also gives me the Great Gatsby feels. I think it's just because of this, the nice curves, and then you've got the straight edges here, but I do really like them. Like I say, I think these are like £2 or £3, so you can't grumble. And how many tags? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tags in here, so you cannot grumble at that at all. So that's that one. Oh gosh, I'm totally off, so you can see the shape there. I'm sorry about that, guys. And this is another one that gave me the Gatsby feels, probably because of this cut out corners here. I mean, you could use it for all kinds, and I was thinking for the smaller ones I could stamp some sentiments in there. Doesn't necessarily have to be a tag, because I can just use the outers and not use the inners with the tag little loopy thing going on. And then we got some more nesting dies in rectangles or oblongs, whichever way you want to call them, but that's what they are. So nothing fancy, but very, very useful to the stash. And then we got some arch window type dies, nesting dies as well. I thought this was an unusual shape. And then we got this little card here, and this will give you, this got like a bit of a movement card. This will pop out type of thing. Then you've got all the mats and layers to save you having to cut all that out. Again, definitely will put some pictures up. And this is another one of those like cards that staggers up and stuff. Like, I can make these, no problem, I can do them, but why have the headache of doing all the marking out and penciling it all in when I can just run through the machine? I've got all the mats and layers that I need as well. So that's, to me, it's just, they're just worth it in the long run. It just saves so much time. I'm guessing this is a Christmas decoration. I can't remember, to be honest, but that's what it's kind of giving me. But I guess it doesn't have to just be Christmas, but it's obviously going to make a star box. So again, I can't wait to have a little go at that. And then the last item I've got is this other card, which is very similar to the heart card. This circle will kind of pop out. We've got lots of different mats and layers on there as well. So that is my Aliexpress haul. Just so much goodness here. I've got hours and hours, well, days and months of fun here. Definitely, I cannot wait to get started on using them, and I can't wait definitely to use these what I bought 3 of, because I really enjoyed that class that Carol did, and I've had loads of different ideas of what I'd like to do with it as well. So without further ado, I'm going to say goodbye. I'd love it if you would please comment, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I hope you've enjoyed the video, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next one. Bye!